Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I want to give you a tour of my living room showing you the Christmas decor. But before we get into the video, I want to take you back a little bit and show you and give you an update of my purse. Yes, I said my purse. So last year around this time, I got me a Teddy Blake purse. You remember this purse. I did a whole review on it. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, guess what? I'm still carrying this purse today. It is still beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. By Teddy Blake. Still has all my junk and stuff up in there. I won't get into all of that, but I just wanted to show you that it has held up very, very well. This is the purse that I take out with me when I go out on a daily basis. But guess what, guys? Right now, Teddy Blake is having their Black Friday sale that's going on. So go ahead and take advantage of the sale that they currently have going on for Black Friday. You can see it has the two little handles. It also has this long strap. I use the long strap if I'm like in the store and just want to throw it over my body, or if I just want to put it on my shoulder. But normally this is how I carry it. And guys, like I said, it has held up very well. The leather is still beautiful. It still smells amazing as it did when I got it. So go ahead. I am going to leave a link in the description box below for you to click on and check out the sale. As well, I'm also going to leave a discount code if you didn't get an opportunity to shop the sale. But Christmas is coming up. These make absolutely beautiful gifts. They have something for everyone. So make sure you go ahead and check out the Teddy Blake link that I'll leave for you. Where? In the description box below. All right, guys, I will have you wait no longer. Let's get into the tour. Okay, guys, so here is an overall look of the room, and then I will take you in a little bit closer. As you guys can see, if you've been with me for any time, I had to make some changes to the room. Because of the Christmas tree, I've had to move my accent chairs to the other side, which is over here. This is usually what I do during the Christmas season when I decorate, because the tree takes up most of the space where the chairs used to be. So moving into the coffee table, let me show you what I have on top. I have kept my tray because it works very well with the other accessories that I have in here. I kept my peonies because of the pink. And here to the back, I have my DIY Christmas trees. The black ones I did last year. They're absolutely gorgeous. Using just basically a Christmas tree form, like old Christmas trees that I've had, and just wrapping them with ribbon. I will leave a link to how I made these below for you. That way you can check them out. And then this pink one I did a couple days ago just to go with the decor. And at the front of it, I added this beautiful Totally Dazzled brooch. On this side, I have my beautiful black reindeer just sitting on some coffee table books, elevated with one of the Christmas trees. And that is all I did this year for the coffee table. Now let's go ahead and move to this side of the room. And here you'll see my accent table. This accent table usually sits between the two accent chairs. And on there I have this vase with the pink pampas grass matching the rest of the decor. This vase I've had for a while, and if you've been with me for any time, you'll know that this table is a DIY. On the bottom, I still kept my coffee table books and just added the star with an acrylic reindeer in it. And moving back up, this is artwork that I DIY'd. This is Z Gallery inspired artwork. I think I did this maybe a year or so ago, and it just works very well, especially now with the pink accents that I have in here for Christmas. The pampas grass that's in here, I got these at HomeSense. I think they were like $6.99 or something for 3 in a bundle. And if we move over to the tree, I already have a tour of this tree, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail concerning the tree, but just wanted to show you that I have put a couple of the pink pampas grass at the top of the tree, serving as a part of the crown. And again, I will leave a video link for the Christmas tree and how I put it together. That way you can go ahead and take a look and see all these beauties and where I got them from. In the background and serving as backdrop to the Christmas tree are my beautiful black velvet K-Gorge curtains. And these were also highlighted in the Christmas tree video. But I will go ahead and leave a link for you below. That way you can check out K-Gorge and see all of the beautiful curtains and items that they have. Now moving over to the side tables, I kept it very simple, really clean. All that's there you'll find is my lamp and these beautiful reindeer on both ends. And these I got from, I think it was Big Lots, maybe like 3 years ago. They are super sparkly and they're absolutely gorgeous. And these mercury glass lamps came from HomeSense like 3 or 4 years ago. Now moving over to the couch is where I have made some changes for this pink and black. Nothing too sparkly this year. I am using these beautiful black pillows. These are actually pillow covers that I got from Amazon. I will leave a link for you guys below to check it out. It is super soft and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture and it just makes the sofa just pop with all the pink that's on it. The pillow behind it, that came from HomeSense a few years ago, as well as this lumbar pillow here. This one also came from HomeSense. I'm having a very hard time getting the crease out from where it was tied, guys, but it will come out eventually. And this little number here at the front is, I scored this thrifting, but I also love the texture that that one has. And the other end is the very same thing. My Amazon pillow cover with the HomeSense pillow. And this gorgeous throw also came from HomeSense. The camera is not doing this throw any justice. It is absolutely beautiful, super soft, and the blush pink is just really pretty. Now on the other side is where I have moved and placed my accent chairs. And to incorporate a little bit more of the gold, I'm using these gold pillows. And these are pillow covers, guys, again from Amazon. I will link them below. They are super beautiful and I just love the texture. And these pink ones in the back are older pillows that came from HomeSense. This mirror here above my sofa also came from HomeSense like 4 years ago. And guys, it does not come out very well on camera. This mirror is much bigger than it actually looks on camera, and it's perfectly scaled to the sofa. I remember someone suggesting that I should add another mirror to it, but if you're standing in the room, guys, you will see that it is perfectly scaled to the sofa. Like I said, it looks super small on camera, but trust me, everything is working well as far as scaling and how everything is placed in here. Okay guys, so I did a quick little changeover with the centerpiece, and you can see I added my beautiful animal print pillow in the background, and as such I have incorporated this animal print Christmas tree. This is also a DIY where I got the animal print fabric. It's on a roll. I got it from the Dollarama, and I just did the very same thing, which is just wrap it around the Christmas tree form to create this cute little beauty right here that is sitting among the other ones. And moving back over to the sofa, I removed the center pillows, which was the pink lumbar and the black one in the front, and I have put this beauty right here, and I think it looks absolutely amazing with the rest of the pillows on the sofa, and really adds some elegance and a little bit of oomph to the room. Okay guys, this is me standing now in my dining room, and just wanted to give you an idea of what the room looks like from this angle. Okay guys, and this is all I have for you today, short and sweet. As you can see, I don't have too much bling this year, too much sparkle going on, and I will explain in a later video as to why that is. But for now, this is all I have. I hope you have enjoyed seeing the way I have put this look together for my living room. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you like about the room. If you're liking the colors that I'm using this year, which is the pink, black, and gold for this room. I do have another Christmas tree, which is the Say My Name Christmas tree, guys, that I will have a video for real soon. So make sure you watch that video. Make sure your notification bells are on so that when I post, you will be able to see if your name made it onto my Christmas tree. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. And while you're here, I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below, and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.